Step 3. Permute the top corners, RD. At this point, you might still need to rotate some of the top corners so they have the yellow on top. Hold the cube with an unsolved yellow corner in the front right position. Now, apply this algorithm repeatedly until that corner is solved. RD. Once the yellow piece is solved, turn only the top layer, U, to move another unsolved corner to the front right position and repeat the algorithm until all corners are solved. Step 4. Permute the edges, position the cross. After orienting the corners, you might need to swap the edge pieces to complete the yellow face. Use this algorithm to permute the edge pieces until they match the sides. RU. This algorithm swaps adjacent edge pieces. Repeat this step until all edge pieces are in the correct position. Now, the Rubik's Cube should be fully solved. Let me know if you need help with a specific step or move.